Hi friends, in today's video we are going to look at the secrets behind the long and happy life of Japanese people. Although Japan is a country having a very high rate of life expectancy, but there is an area in Japan whose name is Okinawa, in which many people live even beyond the age of 100. They live their lives with sense of satisfaction and happiness. In this video we are going to look at several factors that contribute to their happiness, and we are going to see if we can learn anything from their lifestyle. So the first factor that leads to happiness of people of Okinawa is Ikigai. Ikigai means the happiness of always staying busy. In Okinawa, people do not have the concept of retirement. They work even when they get old. They always keep themselves involved in various activities that give them a very strong sense of purpose and happiness in their life. They do not have the time to sit idle. They always keep on working on something or the other that gives them sense of meaning and purpose. They have a reason of getting up every day in the morning. The second factor that contributes to their happiness and longevity is having a very strong sense of community. Unlike majority of us who are connected with each other through social media these days, in Japan, in Okinawa, the things are quite different. People are connected with each other with a very strong sense of community. They play various games together, they celebrate various festivals together, they do various activities together. Many people even devote their whole lives to support their communities, which gives them a very strong sense of connection. The third factor that leads to their happiness is following a very strict and a very healthy diet. They do not consume a lot of processed food. They consume a lot of fresh vegetables, fruits, rice, pulses that helps them to stay healthy and intoxicate their bodies. They consume a lot of green tea that keeps their body free from diseases, and they have a very strong immunity. They have a concept of fasting for 2 days in a week. They eat for 5 days and they stop eating after their stomach is 80% full. They reduce their calorie intake so that their body is healthy and fit. And the fourth factor that leads to their happiness is living in a natural environment. Majority of us live in cities these days and we have a very sedentary lifestyle. Our bodies do not move a lot, which affects the metabolism of our bodies and affects our health in the long term. On the other hand, in Japan and Okinawa, people live in a natural environment, and even old people do various physical activities that help them to stay healthy and fit for a long period of time. From these four factors, the most important factors that we can adopt in our lives is having an Ikigai, that is, having a sense of purpose in our lives. If we can find our Ikigai, then we can be in a state of flow. Like many artists, many musicians, many scientists, when they are in a state of flow, they do not even know when the time passes by. So if we are able to find out some activities that we love doing, then we can always stay happy and get a sense of satisfaction with our lives. So I hope that you'll be adopting some of the qualities, although we cannot adopt all the qualities that have been mentioned in this video, but certainly we can adopt some of the qualities to improve the quality of our life and live a long and a happy life. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching this video.